Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is GE Aerospace completes XA102 Assembly Readiness Review for U.S. Air Force NGAP Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Engine Program. GE Aerospace has completed the Assembly Readiness Review for its XA102 Adaptive Cycle Engine, marking a key milestone in the United States Air Force's Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Program. The company said the achievement advances the XA102 engine towards a full system demonstration later this year. According to GE Aerospace, the review confirmed that the XA102 engine's design, manufacturing processes and supply chain development remain on schedule for the next phase of the NGAP Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Program. The company stated that the milestone demonstrates progress in delivering propulsion technology intended for future U.S. Air Force combat aircraft. A central element of the program is GE Aerospace's digital engine model, which replaces traditional two-dimensional engineering drawings with a model-based definition approach. The company said the framework integrates model-based manufacturing and inspection processes to improve production accuracy and accelerate development timelines. GE Aerospace also confirmed the completion of all demonstrations linked to the model-based engine during the program's first phase. The company said these demonstrations highlighted continued advances in digital engineering and manufacturing capabilities. Steve Russell, Vice President and General Manager of Edison Works at GE Aerospace, said, "With the completion of the Assembly Readiness Review, we are demonstrating the maturity of our XA102 engine design and the strength of our digital-first approach to developing next-generation propulsion systems. Our use of a fully integrated digital engine model, which spans design, manufacturing, and inspection, positions us to deliver advanced capability faster and with greater precision for the warfighter," Russell added. The NGAP Next Generation Adaptive Propulsion Program is intended to develop technologies and manufacturing capabilities for future air superiority missions in contested operational environments. According to GE Aerospace, adaptive cycle propulsion technologies are expected to improve aircraft range, survivability and thermal management for advanced sensors and weapons systems. GE Aerospace said the XA102 builds on the company's earlier XA100 adaptive engine program, which completed multiple rounds of testing. The company described the XA102 as the next stage in adaptive propulsion development, combining improved capability with a focus on affordability and sustainability. The company added that its work on adaptive cycle engines reflects more than a century of cooperation with the U.S. military in aircraft propulsion technology. GE Aerospace stated that the XA102 program continues to support the Air Force's efforts to field next-generation fighter aircraft with enhanced operational performance. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology 50.